Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Huawei Mesh Wi-Fi system. First, carefully unpack your Huawei Wi-Fi mesh devices and position them thoughtfully in your home. Next, connect the primary mesh router directly to your existing internet modem using a standard Ethernet cable. Finally, power on all your Huawei Wi-Fi mesh units. Allow each device a few moments, typically around 1 minute, to fully boot up and prepare for the next steps. Now, let's configure your network using the Huawei AI Life app. Download and install this essential application on your smartphone or tablet. Once installed, open the app and it will guide you through adding your main Huawei mesh router. During this process, you will be prompted to create a unique Wi-Fi network name, also known as an SSID, and a robust password. This ensures your network is secure and easily identifiable. With your main router configured, it is time to expand your network. Position your additional satellite mesh units strategically, ensuring they are within good signal range of the primary router. The Huawei AI Life app will intelligently detect these new units and prompt you to add them to your existing mesh network. Simply confirm the addition of each satellite unit, and your Wi-Fi coverage will seamlessly expand across your entire home. Finally, let's verify and optimize your new mesh network. Observe the indicator lights on all your Huawei Wi-Fi mesh devices. They should display a solid color, typically blue or green, indicating a stable connection. Utilize the Huawei AI Life app to monitor your network status and check the signal strength of each unit. If needed, adjust the placement of your satellite units to achieve optimal Wi-Fi coverage throughout your entire living space.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.